Welcome to AKA Fighter Jet Force, your ultimate destination for the most powerful, advanced, and elite fighter jet content on YouTube. Today, we dive into the might of the Chinese Air Force in 2025, how far it has come, where it stands now, and what the future holds. A humble request to all new friends joining the channel. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you. Alright, let's get started. 1. Overview of PLAAF. The People's Liberation Army Air Force (PLAAF) is now recognized as one of the most powerful air forces in the world. By 2025, it has undergone significant modernization, fueled by China's strategic vision to become a global military superpower. With over 2,500 aircraft, including hundreds of 4th and 5th generation fighters, cutting-edge UAVs, and advanced support systems, the Chinese Air Force now rivals the most elite air arms globally, including the US and Russia. 2. Stealth Power, J-20 Mighty Dragon. At the heart of China's 5th generation capability is the Chengdu J-20 Mighty Dragon. By 2025, the J-20 has been mass-produced, and upgraded with WS-15 domestic engines, enabling supercruise capability and improved stealth. It's now deployed in multiple combat brigades, patrolling the East and South China Seas, and safeguarding Chinese airspace with long-range radar and missile systems. Its role has shifted from pure air superiority to multi-role dominance, capable of deep strikes and real-time electronic warfare missions. 3. Rising J-31 and carrier operations. Alongside the J-20, China is also advancing the Shenyang FC-31, often referred to as the J-35 in naval service. This stealth fighter is expected to operate from China's new Type 003 Fujian-class aircraft carriers, enhancing China's blue water naval air power. In 2025, prototypes are already seen conducting carrier trials, indicating an aggressive push towards fielding stealth aircraft at sea, a capability previously dominated by the United States. 4. 4th Gen Strength, J-10C, J-11B, J-16. While China pushes for 5th Gen dominance, it continues to evolve its powerful 4th generation fleet. J-10C Vigorous Dragon is equipped with AESA radar and plays 15 long-range air-to-air missiles, giving it an edge over most regional rivals. J-11B and J-16, both based on Russian designs, have been indigenously upgraded with modern avionics, electronic warfare pods, and enhanced range. In 2025, these aircraft still form the bulk of China's tactical air power, now fully integrated with AI-assisted targeting and satellite data links. 5. Hypersonic weapons and drones. China is not just focused on fighter aircraft. It is making huge strides in hypersonic weapons, like the DFZF glide vehicle, which can be launched from air platforms. Moreover, the PLAAF has operationalized a new generation of stealth drones, including WZ-8, a high-speed, high-altitude reconnaissance drone; GJ-11 Sharp Sword, a stealthy UCAV capable of deep penetration strike missions. In 2025, these drones operate alongside manned aircraft in joint missions using Loyal Wingman AI technology, showing China's growing emphasis on intelligent warfare. 6. Strategic Bombers. The Xi'an H-6K, a modernized version of a Cold War-era design, remains a core asset for long-range missions. By 2025, China is also preparing to unveil the H-20 stealth bomber, capable of reaching targets as far as Guam and beyond while avoiding radar detection. Once deployed, the H-20 will complete China's triad of stealth, fighter, drone, and bomber, reshaping the air power balance in the Indo-Pacific. 7. Air Defense Integration. China's Air Force operates within a powerful integrated air defense network, including HQ-9D and Russian S-400 systems. Paired with satellite, intelligence, ground radars, and airborne early warning systems like the KJ-500, the PLAAF ensures multi-layered aerial dominance. No longer purely defensive, this network now supports offensive operations, extending China's anti-access, area denial A2AD envelope well into the Pacific. 8. Training and real-time combat readiness. PLAAF pilots in 2025 now undergo simulated dogfights, joint exercises with naval and rocket forces, and overseas missions. The shift is from scripted training to real combat scenarios involving night ops, electronic warfare, and joint precision strikes. China's Skynet AI system and satellite data networks also provide real-time battlefield updates, enabling rapid decision-making and unmanned-manned coordination. In 2025, the Chinese Air Force stands as a modern, technologically advanced force, no longer catching up but now setting the pace in many areas of aerial warfare. From stealth jets and hypersonic weapons to combat drones and space-linked command systems, the PLAAF's rise is a defining factor in the future of global military balance. Subscribe now to AKA Fighter Jet Force, your go-to channel for the latest and most powerful insights into the world of fighter aviation.